Hello Porsche fans. So today we have a model review of a Kyosho 911. This is the 997 generation of Porsches, and this is the GT2 RS model, which came out in 2010 and has over 600 horsepower, and it drops 70 kilos from the regular GT2. That's the RS designation, I guess. And this thing can go over 200 miles per hour. I never knew that. And 0 to 60 is in 3.5 seconds, and around 500 of them were sold globally. So I always knew about the RSs, I just knew nothing about them. So that's one of the things I'd like to do here collecting these diecasts, is learn about these things. So actually, while the photos are up, let's just take a look here if Kyosho did a good job. I'll try to get the angle the same. Let's see. It looks somewhat similar to me. I mean, the lights there, the wheels even are similar, the black vent in the back, the black hood, right, a carbon fiber front hood, that fixed wing in the rear. Only the door handle seems different, right? The door handle is definitely off. It's not sticking out, and it seems the wrong shape. So that's interesting. Okay, what about the back view? See here. Try to get a focal point between the two. Yeah, it's hard to say. The black there, it's got these vertical streaks in the back there, and then the tail lights are a little bit white in the middle, so that's similar. Third brake light looks like in the same spot. So it's pretty good, I would say. Yeah, only the door handles seem a bit off. So, okay, it's going to be a bit different because we already just compared it to the real thing, but let's see about the details, how well they're executed. So, right now I'm seeing the GT2 RS, and that's pretty crispy painted. You know, the wheels are nice and crisp. It would have been nice to have some black right there, though, like the real car. Some silver paint here for the marker. Seems alright. We got some black paint around the windows for the molding. Looks good. I guess these are carbon fiber mirrors on the car, and because they are black on the real thing. Maybe this around here is carbon as well, and so actually having black paint in there looks pretty realistic, I guess. Alright, let's go to the front here. So yeah, we got the molded in ribs here. I think that's a separate piece of plastic. I don't know if it's part of that or not. Maybe it's part of this base and is poking through, because I can see like a seam, you know, a gap. But anyways, more plastic here, and then some white paint for those I guess it must be running lamps or something, or possibly the turn signals. I don't know. Okay, well anyways, let's see here, the Porsche badge. It looks like a Porsche badge. Probably can't read the text, but it's got the colors, you know, so it looks alright. And while we're here, you can see the carbon fiber pattern is pretty nice. Unfortunately, I don't know what the previous owner of this model did, if they spit on the thing or what, but it's like got a bunch of water stains or something. I'm afraid this might be a decal, so I don't want to wipe it with water. It might actually remove the thing. I don't know if it's a tampo or not. It's hard to say. Usually Kyosho tampo prints all their stuff, but there is a rare occasion I've seen where they have decals, so I'm not sure. But anyways, these headlights look pretty cool. Alright. And then we got some molded in wiper blades, and they're painted black, so that's nice. We got some molded interior details as usual, which is hard to see because it's black. This side, I'm not sure if that's a contaminant or paint rash developing. There's also a chip here, but that's probably from the previous owner. Okay, no silver paint on the mirrors, as typical of Kyosho. And then yeah, the back end here, we got the three-dimensional exhaust tips, so that's pretty nice. Blank license plate area, this is printed nicely. The third brake light's printed nicely. And yeah, the tail lights are nice because you can see the silver middle there. Okay, so that's pretty good. Some vents up there underneath the wing. Okay. Oh, and there's a roll cage there, you can see. Hopefully that reflection's pretty bad. But yeah, there's a roll cage. And actually, what's going on in the front? It's like a center display or something on the dashboard. Interesting. Okay, let's see here. 911 GT2 RS, no date of manufacturer. Pretty good details for the bottom of a car. Really good treads. They look like high performance street tires, and they're staggered, so that's pretty good. Unfortunately, it's riveted. You can't really customize it easily unless you drill it out. Okay, so yeah, other than the door handles, it's a very, very good representation of the real car. So these are these little strakes here in the back here. Okay, I guess this car has titanium exhaust, but they're just painted silver. Okay. Alright, well, anyways, it's pretty good, so I guess we'll just let it do a little spin here. And you can compare again if you want to pause the video. Get a better angle here. Yeah, it looks good. I think I'm gonna, continue buying some Porsches from Kyosho and other brands. I do love the Porsche brand. I just oddly don't have many of them in my collection because it seems like there's an oversaturation of Porsches in the 1/64 scale. There's no shortage at all, so I'm in no hurry to get them, I guess. But I do like the brand. I do like these models, so we'll see what happens. As time goes on, my collection will grow. Okay, guys, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next review.